Hey there, beauty enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the world of DIY makeup hacks, which can not only save you some pennies but also add a personal touch to your makeup routine. First up, we have the classic lipstick hack. Need a darker shade? Just dab a bit of your bronzer on the center of your bottom lip before applying your lipstick. For a lighter shade, blend together your lipstick and concealer for a custom look. Next, let's talk about highlighting. If you're low on highlighter, try mixing in some eyeshadow with a bit of Vaseline for a glow that won't break the bank. Adding shimmery eyeshadow to the inner corners of your eyes can make them pop too. For eyeliner lovers, here's a tip. Use a matte eyeshadow as an eyeliner for a softer look. And if you're out of mascara primer, mix in some concealer to give your lash extra oomph before applying mascara. Finally, create custom blush and bronzer by blending together different shades of eyeshadow. You can even use cocoa powder or coffee grounds for that sun-kissed look without spending a fortune on new products. Remember, these DIY makeup hacks are all about creativity and saving money while still looking fabulous. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more beauty tips.